Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Sparkle and Trading. My name is Bridget, and I am going to be sharing with you guys today the ticker symbols that I'm looking at. What I'm kind of like I said, I'm going to be taking you guys on my trading journey and sharing sometimes with you guys some ticker symbols that I'm looking at or trades that I'm looking to get into. I do want to put a disclaimer right here. This is not I am not telling you what trades to put in. I can't help you if you lose money. Trade at your own risk. What else do I need to say? Like all of this stuff, right? This is just to share you guys what I'm looking at. You also can look at it as well, do your own technical analysis on it to decide that if the trade is good for you. So if you haven't noticed, guys, already, like I said, that I use TradeStation because I was trained on TradeStation. Now, Thinkorswim has a lot of bells and whistles that I'm learning about, and I'm still learning the platform. So when I am doing my technical analysis using the Invest with Teri strategy, I use what she trained us on. So I go back to TradeStation, and I've used her method to determine exactly like what I'm going to be looking at, and I loved her. I love her strategy. So one of the ticker symbols that I love, if you guys haven't heard yet, there are two ticker symbols that I really love because I watched them closely. Netflix was the ticker symbol that I made $1,000 a day club on before I upgraded to VIP. So I watched Netflix a lot. I feel like I know Netflix. I feel like I've dated Netflix, if you will, a little bit, and we've gotten to know each other. You probably don't know me, but I definitely know them. And so that's one of the ticker symbols that I use. I am a fan of vertical credit spreads with short DTEs. So again, if you've never heard of these words and you don't know what I'm talking about, it's because you probably haven't taken the Investment Teri course. I've included a link to her course in the description below so you can get caught up to speed and we can go on this journey together. Let's build wealth together as a group. So I just want to say that that's what I love. I love vertical credit spreads. I love the Netflix ticker symbol. I love no more I just got into a Netflix options trade, and it was like a 14-day 0 DTE on a vertical selling puts, and I was like, why did I do that so far out? You know, I think you get better premiums on selling credit spreads when you go farther out. And so anyway, I got a great premium, but I'm like, man, I like to keep this thing moving, make my money go, keep on moving. And when you're in a trade, sometimes it ties up your funds till you get out of that trade. So either don't trade your whole account. Teri teaches us to trade, I think she said leave at least like 20% or something like that. Don't trade your whole account. So I didn't trade my whole account, but you got to have a certain amount of money to get into a credit spread. And so I am not going to do the long, I think I did 14 days 0 DT. So today I'm be telling you guys about a 7-day. This is actually, depending on when you get into it, I'll probably get into these trades on Friday. Hopefully I could still get a pretty good premium. But I'm looking at a Netflix trade, and it's a credit spread selling a put. I'm looking at the strike price of right around 600 to 605. Right now, the premium, you can get a good premium above $1.35, which is amazing for a premium. And you also can do the strike at 595 if you don't want to do it at 600. It's also okay. There's also one I'm looking at strike price of 590, but the further down you go, the premium goes down as well. So that's one. And then what else? Let me see what else I here. Write my notes. Another tick. Oh, I like SPX, but again, I tell you guys, SPX will take you out. So wait, if you're new to trading, like I'm not even trading SPX. I feel like I'm mad at SPX right now. I feel like me and SPX I'm giving SPX the cold shoulder. Like I ain't ready. I ain't ready. I'm not ready. Because they like hurt my feelings. SPX hurt my feelings. So I'm waiting on SPX, but I do love credit spreads through SPX. It's just a vicious thing at SPX. It's so vicious. Like, I gotta be so mean. Anyway, the other one I'm looking at is Facebook, expiration date of November the 12th. Strike price around 315 to 320. The premium right now is $1.04. Oops, let me see. The strike price for this Netflix, the expiration for the Netflix is October 29th. The one for this Facebook one is, like I said, the 12th. That might be a little bit too far out. I like to do at least no more than 7 days 0 DTE on credit spreads. Now, my favorite is 0 DTE. That's my favorite, but sometimes it's hard to find a really good premium when it's a 0 DTE, or you have to be on it like first thing in the morning. So anyway, I'm looking at Facebook. What else? Apple has a great premium, and right around 250 to 240 strike price, selling a call on November the 19th expiration. That's a really good one. Get a Netflix. I think I gave you guys Netflix already, but there's another one on the 19th expiration. 590, 595 strike price, $1.23 premium. So those are the ticker symbols I'm looking at for the next like 2 to 3 weeks. I wanted to share that with you because I told you guys I'll share with you guys my like what I'm looking at and what I'm trying to do it. Again, right now I'm still in a Netflix trade. I'm about to get out of this mug as soon as I can, probably Friday, because it's a vertical credit spread. So I want it to expire worthless, or at least if it expires and I get the full max profit. But if it goes up and it hits close to my profit, then I'll get out of it. Hopefully that happens soon. It's been going up, so I'm excited about that. Yeah, so that's it. That's my what trades am I looking at this week, and what am I planning to do? Planning to get out of this Netflix trade on Friday, and I'm planning to get into another one on Monday. And yeah, that's it. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions.